Hey guys, it's Yvette and it is day 5. Well, it will be tomorrow. It's day 5 of the Advent calendar / Vlogmas. So let's get started. I have my Cotton Cuts Advent calendar to open up, and let me go ahead and pull out day 5. And there it is, day 5. Why do they call that the funny bone? Because I don't find that funny. Anyway, it really doesn't hurt that much, but it did kind of scare me. Okay, number 5. Our little saying today, oh my gosh, I love the fabric. Sorry. A smile is a curve headed in the right direction. I really have to figure out where they're getting these because these are so cute. Okay, and you guys, here's the fabric. It is fabric with words, which y'all know I love. Let me see. And there's like, the words that are on here are crimson, red, ruby, burgundy, scarlet, cardinal. Oh my goodness, this is really cool. Okay, so the selvage is the selvage with no, you know, telling me what it is. So I don't know what this fabric is. You guys have been helping me out down below. So if you know what this is, please let me know. The one that I opened yesterday, this one here, there were a couple people who said that it was K-Facet. That's not K-Facet. This is really, really tame for K-Facet, guys. Somebody told me that they know, that's what they said. I don't know because I don't have that line. But it's Me and My Sister Designs, and oh my goodness, she said the name of the collection too, and I can't remember now. Oh my goodness, it's right on the tip of my tongue. Anyway, if you're interested, you could go and look at the comments down below day 4. Below day 4, and you'll see her comment. It's Me and My Sister Designs. I just don't remember which collection it was, but that makes sense because these are totally their colors. Anyway, so, and I haven't looked it up, so I'm not 100% sure, but you know, she seemed sure. And this one, see what I'm saying about how it's got like cardinal and red, crimson, rosé, or rose, scarlet, definitions of variations of the color red. And I think that's really cool. Okay, so that's what we got in the Cotton Cuts Advent calendar for day 5. And now let's move on to the Stitch Supply Company, which is this guy. And I'm going to open number 5. These are fun. I mean, they're fun. Okay, I have got a whole bunch of little squigglies. So, let me pull those out, see what's underneath that. Ooh, I felt something. Okay. I reuse all these little squigglies, guys. I just want to let y'all know that. Oh, it's something wooden. Okay, this is this is a little tag to put on your scissors. It says, "Don't even think about it, fabric only." And here it is. And it's wooden. It's got a little antique colored hanging thing, chain. So that's really cute. I like that. Okay, so let me pop that back in there. I'm just trying to keep them in there. I'll keep the squigglies out, but put that back there. Okay. And then finally, we have a Stitchy Box. And let me go ahead and find day 5 for Stitchy Box. I saw it yesterday. And I would try to like keep them in a certain thing, but these things get knocked over and all kinds of stuff. in my house, so it probably wouldn't make a difference. Oh, there it is, day 5. See, that was quick. I think, didn't it take me like forever yesterday? Okay, this one, when did I open that? Day 20. Can't wait to open that one. Okay. Here we go. Day 5. It's another little baby one. And let's see what I got. All right. I have day 5, Delica 11/0 seed beads. Add a bit of beaded greenery to your stitching with these deep green seed beads. And it says on the packet that they are opaque jade green. And there they are. Look, it matches my fingernails now. I just got my nails done today. So there you go. And there's a whole bunch of them in there. They're really tiny though. Holy cow, those are tiny. Okay. I mean, don't get me wrong. I know that I did know that people use beads sometimes for cross stitching, but holy cow, we get a lot of beads in this thing. I didn't think that it was that widely done, but obviously things have at least changed since I've had them or have done cross stitching. So no worries. Okay, so the little extra thing that I was going to do for today is open up my Joy with Julie. And here's the box. You guys, I don't even remember when I got this. It's terrible. But I definitely could use some joy because this week has, oh, it's been a rough week. Just so very busy here at work, my day job, you know. So I'm so happy it's Friday. You have no idea. I'm sure you guys do know that I film on Friday to show you guys on Saturday. So Saturday is really day 5, but I'm filming this on Friday night after I got home from work. So, okay, let's open it up. Oh, look how pretty. It says, "It is not joy that makes us grateful. It is gratitude that makes us joyful." That's really pretty. And I love that saying. I need to figure out where she gets her sayings too. Oh my goodness. So she's put this really pretty little paper to like keep it nice because she's got this beautiful card and it's reflective gold. It's really pretty. It says, "Thankful for you." I love that. Thank you, Julie. I'm thankful for you too. And then I have, and actually I think that it probably went like this, but I mean, you know, everything shifts in the mail. So, because this was like hanging on the little thing, and then, so I'm pretty sure this went like this, and she's got my name on it up here, and it's a little package to open up. So let's get that open. She got like these gold little clothespins. I don't know where she got those, but those are cute. Okay, let's see. Can you imagine how much fun she must have putting these together every month? I mean, I can only imagine. I would love putting together maybe stuff like this. I don't know. Plus, she's really smart about it. Or like, maybe smart. I mean, she is smart, but that's maybe not the word I was really thinking of. But yeah, anyway. Okay, so this says Pumpkin Kisses, Harvest Wishes. And on the back, she's just got joy. So you can write anything you want on the back for the recipient of this note. And this one says, "If a year was tucked inside a clock, then autumn would be the magic hour," by Victoria Erickson. And then we have I Choose to Bloom. A flower does not think of competing with the flower next to it. It just blooms. It's words of wisdom right there, guys. Words of wisdom, if you really think about what it's saying. Autumn whisper... Let's start over on that one. Autumn whispered to the wind, I fall, but always rise again. That was written by Angie Wyland Crosby. My little shaky hands. And finally we have, when you focus on a thankful heart, your heart will swell with love. You know who said that? Julie from Joy with Julie. Way to go, Julie. Okay, so those are the cards, and now we have some really lovely little to and from stickers for gifts, and then these flowers on top, really pretty. And she's given us a couple of envelopes so that we can pass these notes along to friends. And we have received some little baby washi. I love them. And I love these little ones. I think they're so adorable. It's like perfect. It's a perfect size. And do you guys want to see all of them? I used to do that, and then I stopped doing it. And I don't know why I stopped doing it, because you really should see them. I think it's because I don't like putting anything back in these little bags. I know, guys. I'm terrible. I'm terrible. Okay, there we go. I just won't put them back in there on camera so that I don't have to worry about if I'm going to let something fly that I shouldn't. Oh, this one's pretty. And this is the last one. Pretty. Okay, so for now, I'm just going to leave those right there. Oh my goodness, she has given us 2 chocolate reasons. Yes, please. I love that she puts chocolate in it. Because that is joy. Yes, it is. And then we have another little gold one. It probably fell off of something. No biggie. And then, oh my goodness, she's given us like a really big, I love it. This is Amazeballs. It's got like a, what blue would you call that? Like a gray blue with like little baby white dots. And then this one side has mushrooms on like a cream background. And then there's a little tag inside, and it says Selah. SelahSigns.com, S-E-L-A-H. And I've actually purchased things there before. So these, some nice stuff. I like things like this. Of course, I'm a big stationery person. I buy things, let's not even talk about it. Okay, so there we go. And y'all know I'm just sitting here looking at this reason. I can't just not have one. I mean, goodness knows I don't get to have dinner till like 10. It's not going to ruin my dinner. Okay. Oh, you guys. It smells really good. Okay. Oh my goodness. Look. It's like... Okay. It's very chocolatey. There's a lot of chewing involved. Oh my goodness. I feel like I'm being a little bit rude, to be honest with you. It's taking a long time to chew it. I really want to finish this, but this would be like a 20-minute video. Just of me chewing. Okay, so I'm going to hold it up. You guys, I only took like half of it. It's stuck to my teeth. But I'm not complaining about that because I'll have some later. Okay. You guys, thank you for coming to day 5 of my Vlogmas. And I hope that you'll come back for day 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and all the way through to 31. Because if you're here with me, it gives me motivation to keep going every day and to get that video made. So, thanks so much. I know that a few of you guys have said that you really liked the day in the life. I really don't know why. I feel like my life is kind of boring, actually. But if I can kind of, you know, get better at it, I'll do another one. And I'll see you next time. Please make sure you're subscribed. Mwah.